Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be talking BOXYCHARM and IPSY spoilers for the month of June. This is really exciting because there are some really awesome products and I'm actually really pumped for quite a few things that are coming this month. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date and all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you're ready to jump into IPSY and BOXYCHARM spoilers for the month of June 2023, stay tuned. All right, jumping right in. Now, it is obviously Pride Month, which means I'm expecting color, I'm expecting makeup, I'm expecting some really cool products. And so far with the spoilers, I am not disappointed. We're going to talk about the Power Picks first for the Glam Bag. Now, as you know, the IPSY Glam Bag Power Pick is basically some products or brands that are exciting that you're going to get in the base IPSY Glam Bag, which is mostly going to be your sample and travel size products. So the first power pick that you can get, and again, I'm assuming that these are going to be coming in trial sizes. In front of me, I actually have the full sizes that were already in my collection. First, from Glow Recipe, this is the Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. It is a gel. This is a really nice vitamin C brightening eye cream. I think it feels and smells very nice. I am a big fan of Glow Recipe. Today, I actually used their Pore Refining Strawberry BHA Blur Drops. I think the brand is fantastic. I cannot say enough about them. So really excited to see this coming. And I love that they send brands that I like in travel sizes because I've mentioned this before. When I travel, I don't want to have like my skincare because if I lose a bag and I lose my skincare, I'm going to have to replace a lot of product. So I love when I have sample sizes of things I already like to take with me so that I don't have to take my full sizes when I go somewhere. And the second Glam Bag Power Pick is going to be the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. I actually have the caramel one in front of me. This comes in 4 different shades and I'm a big fan of the way that this looks. I am going to take a tiny bit and apply some. And this is sort of the darker shade. They have Hoola Light, Hoola Caramel, and Hoola Toasted. And Toasted is the darkest, Hoola Light is the lightest. Now, normally I will not use this color because it is a little dark for me, but the time I like to pull it out is the summer. I do have a regular Hoola somewhere, I just could not find it before this video. But even this darker shade I think gives me a really nice sculpted appearance. It is a really beautiful formula. It blends nice, it blends nicely. It does not grab to the skin anywhere, and it just has such a beautiful undertone that it makes the skin look flushed, but also just looks really sculpted. I am a big fan. And I know I'm going to get questions. I just used the Beauty For Real powder brush. This actually also just launched, but this has been my go-to bronzer brush lately. Now, those two are going to be the power picks. Next, we have the BOXYCHARM Power Picks. Now, I already mentioned the Origins Cheeks and Balances Frothy Face Wash in a previous spoiler video because we saw it in a screenshot the way that BOXYCHARM used to with Johnny and Steph, where she was holding the product. There was another product in that shot, and it was the Il Makiage Color Boss Eyeshadow Quad. Now, I don't know which color is going to be a power pick. I have it in multi-dimensional eyeshadow quad in the color Make Moves. And this one is very pinky and purpley, but these are an amazing formula. I did not use it today. I actually used a different palette today because I was filming another video, but this is such a beautiful formula. I love the way it looks on. I love the way they blend. They are a dream. So really excited that this is coming to BOXYCHARM as well. Now, the next 2 products I actually do not have, so I'm going to put pictures on the screen. The first is the Beauty Bakery Lemon Bar Face Palette, and this is actually really pretty. It is 3 different tones. Now, they claim to be universal, and being a Black-owned brand, they actually can say universal, and I would believe it. There are so many brands that say universal, and it does not work for deeper complexions. So when I hear that from Beauty Bakery, just in my experience, I trust. They know what they're talking about when it comes to universal. Now, the 3 shades are, as you can see, like a bronzy tone, a more neutrally contour tone, and a metallic-y shimmer. Now, it doesn't look like the shimmer itself is going to be a lot of pigment, so it looks like a color you can diffuse over the skin and still have it look good. And the model they have is a much deeper complexion, but also the colors in the pan look like something that even someone my coloring can use. So I'm really excited that this could work for so many different people. And then there is the Dew of the Gods Watermelon Toner. Now, we've been getting a lot of the Dew of the Gods products lately. I know we got an exfoliator, I think 2 months ago. So we got the Microderm face scrub a couple months ago, but I don't even see the watermelon toner on their website. So I think that this might actually be a new launch product. So that's quite exciting. And now that we're done with Power Picks, we're gonna move into the Choice items. Now, as a reminder, Choice does open up on the 2nd of each month. So when this video goes live, you have like a day before the Choice items are available for you. The first 2 Choice items are gonna be for the BOXYCHARM by IPSY. The first is the Too Faced Too Femme Heartcore Lipstick. Now, these lipsticks are a decent formula. I have used them before. It's a standard lipstick. I don't think there's anything super special about them, but if you're somebody who loves a good lipstick, this is probably a good pick for you. And that's going against the Bobbi Brown Cosmetics Longwear Cream Eyeshadow Stick. Now, I actually think I have one of those on me. I do. I actually have one of the double-sided ones that comes with 2 different colors. This is such a cool formula. We have received them before in BOXYCHARM a really long time ago. I think like maybe a year and a half. It's been a while, actually longer. I lived in Florida when it happened, so it has been some time. It is a super smooth formula. It goes on very sparkly. It lasts really well. Back in my Sephora days when I worked at Sephora, my store director, it was the only eyeshadow she ever used, and we worked like 12-hour days, and it looked just as good in the morning as it did when she was leaving. So definitely a great long-wearing formula. And for the Glam Bag Choice, the 2 items are going to be the Formula Z Half-Stick Dual-Ended Eyeliner, which I feel like we get a dual-ended eyeliner every month where there's either 2 different color of gel liners or a gel and a liquid. I don't love liquid liners, and I feel like I have my favorite gel liners. So not crazy excited about this, but if I do get it, I will absolutely most likely try it. If it's a liquid liner, I probably will not. And the other choice is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deluxe Brow Freeze. So because they said deluxe on the Brow Freeze, I think that means the liner would be the full-size item. But the Anastasia Brow Freeze is like, I love a clear brow gel, and it is a solid form. So if you like that like slicked up brow hair look, I feel like I just messed up my brow. If you like that slicked up brow hair look, then that is something that you can absolutely get with that Brow Freeze product. I remember when it launched, it sold out so fast. Everybody who has used it has mentioned that there is quite a bit of hold, but it doesn't flake like a lot of the like super hold brow gels, but it does get a little crunchy. So if you don't like a like firm, hard brow, you might not like it. I personally don't mind that, so I'm actually eager to try that out. Of the 2 items, I would probably go with the Brow Freeze. So just a reminder that you can build your BOXYCHARM box on June 2nd and 3rd, so you can go and make your Build-A-Box choices as well as all of your add-ons. They are opening a Pride shop on the 5th of June, and that will run through the 25th, so plenty of options to shop some great Pride-themed makeup, or maybe it's just regular products. I don't actually know what's in that shop, and I'm hopefully going to find out soon. As soon as I know more than that, I will let you know. But as always, let me know your thoughts down below. What are you thinking about the products that are coming? Anything you have to say, sound off down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!